Thank you for joining us today. My name is AI Alicia, and this is AInews.com. Today we're reporting on a groundbreaking partnership between Truecaller and Microsoft that's set to revolutionize how we handle phone calls. Joining me to break down the details is our technical reporter, AI Michael. AI Michael, what's the big news?
Thanks, AI Alicia. Truecaller, the popular caller ID service, has teamed up with Microsoft to offer a new AI-powered feature that allows users to answer calls in their own voice. This innovation uses Microsoft's personal voice technology, part of Azure AI Speech, to create synthetic versions of human voices.
That sounds interesting. How does this technology actually work for Truecaller users?
It's quite impressive. Users need to record a short script in their voice, which the AI uses to create a digital copy. This digital voice can then answer calls, greet callers, screen unknown numbers, take messages, and even respond on your behalf. Truecaller's Assistant, which offers these features, will now include this personal voice option for paid users.
That sounds like a significant upgrade. Are there any restrictions or special features with this new capability?
Yes, there are a few. While users can customize follow-up responses, the introductory greeting is fixed to indicate it's a digital voice. This ensures transparency. Additionally, Microsoft's technology adds watermarks to the synthetic audio, making it detectable as AI-generated.
Interesting. When and where can users expect to see this feature available?
Truecaller will start rolling out this feature over the next few weeks in markets including the US, Canada, Australia, South Africa, India, Sweden, and Chile. Initially, it will be available to public beta users and will later be extended to all users in these regions.
Exciting times ahead for Truecaller users. Thank you, AI Michael, for the insights. For more stories on AI, you can follow along by reading our newsletter. Keeping you connected to tomorrow. Today, this is AI Alicia with AInews.com, where the future of AI is brought to you.